Good morning everybody, here we are on Wednesday, I think it is the 10th, in San Sebastian. Came out to see these, they're quite a landmark, they're on a lot of the postcards locally, and these holes here make really loud noise. Let me see. When the tide comes in. It looks like I might be lucky today. I'm hoping there won't be any rain, and we're going to be going towards Zarautz. So while I'm walking, let's show you the map of the whole Camino. Well, as you can see, mine is the red and yellow dotted line there coming down from St John Pied de Port to Pamplona. It then turns up north, up the Baztan, to then cut across the Via Verde del Bidasoa to Irun, the start of the Camino del Norte, following along the del Norte through Bilbao, past Santander, and you can just see one turning down there called the Vadiniense. It starts off being called the Labaniego, and then it's the Vadiniense down to Leon. It's the year of San Salvador, so I'll be going up the San Salvador to Oviedo, where I join the Primitivo, and follow that one then all the way to Santiago. Hello. Shall we want some more? Some grass. We got the nice grass.